Hello everyone, welcome to day 83 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, we're going to show you how to crochet this DC offset V-stitch. So this stitch is very similar to the V-stitch, just that we are going to offset the V-stitches instead of putting them in a straight line. This stitch is again done on a foundation row of a multiple of 3. And for the sake of the video, I'm going to make a foundation chain of 9. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here we have 9 chains. For the start of the row we need a double crochet, so we are going to crochet 3 chains, and into the 4th chain we are going to place our very first V-stitch, which is a double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet all into the same chain space. Now skip 2 stitches and repeat the same. 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. Again skip 2, go into the next stitch and place your next V. Now at the end of the row again we are going to make 1 double crochet. The double crochet at the start and the end of the row is what is going to give you the straight edges. Again chain 3, turn your work. Here, instead of crocheting into the V spaces, we are going to start our first V between the double crochet and the V stitch, which is right here. Make your first V stitch in this space. And now skip the V stitch and go to the space in between the V stitches. So this way you'll be able to place the V stitches in an offset pattern. Okay, so now we are at the end of the row. Here you're going to crochet 1 double crochet on top of the chain 3. So this is the pattern. Again, now the next row you will chain 3, turn your work, start between the double crochet and the V stitch. This you can crochet to any length that you want. I hope the video was clear, and if you have any doubts you can leave it in the comment section or reach us out on our Instagram page, DM us, and we'll definitely get to you. Do try out the stitch and I will meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet pattern. Thank you.